Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese roll bread. First, gather your ingredients. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast in a large bowl. Next, warm 3/4 cup of milk and melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then add them to your dry ingredients. Mix until a soft dough forms, then knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, it's time to prepare the cheesy filling. Grate about 1½ cups of your favorite cheese. Cheddar or mozzarella work wonderfully. Now, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface into a large rectangle, roughly 12 by 18 inches. Make sure the thickness is even. Then, sprinkle the grated cheese evenly over the entire surface, leaving a 1-inch border around the edges. This helps keep the cheese inside when rolling. Now for the fun part, rolling your cheese bread. Starting from one of the long sides, tightly roll the dough into a log. Pinch the seam closed to ensure no cheese escapes during baking. Using a sharp knife, slice the log into 1½ inch thick pieces. Arrange these rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. Your delicious cheese roll bread is ready. For an extra touch, you can brush the warm rolls with a little melted butter right after they come out of the oven. It adds a lovely shine and richness. These are best enjoyed warm, perhaps with a cup of coffee or as a side to your favorite meal. They're perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.